What's going on, everyone? My name is Tom from Dreadlabs, and today we're going to check out a resource website.
Dreadlabs.
Alright, so a member of our Discord community called Arkson just reached out to me, and he made this amazing website where all of these different resource tutorial platforms in our style come together. So you probably know when you're searching for a Dreadlabs tutorial on YouTube, you're probably wondering, oh, are there any more channels like this? Are there any more designers sharing their skills in that same style? Same goes for assets, of course. Are there any more graphic designers sharing asset packs in that specific style, or even fonts for that matter? Basically, Arkson made a website for this where all of those come together. So this is the website, it's called graphic.co. I'll put a link up in the description because it's actually super useful. As you can see, Dreadlabs is actually under the featured resources. So what's really nice is they basically gathered all of these tutorials together. So for example, let's go to the learning tab. And on the left here, you can see that there's a lot of different tools here. Basically, you can already see the categories here, but let's say, I don't know, let's click on Illustrator. You'll get a lot of different Illustrator tutorials, and as you can see, there are a couple of Dreadlabs tutorials here, these three actually. And then of course, I think this one is by my friend Jesse Nyberg. Let's check it out. Yep. Yeah, and as you can see, if you click multiple ones, so for example, let's click on Cinema 4D and Illustrator, you will get both of these tutorials in one go, so it's very easy to search with. You can also click on search more to get a lot of the different results. So the website is still in the early stages of development from what I've been told. So yeah, there's not too much on there right now, but it will keep expanding as we go. So let's go to the resource tab. And as you can see, we have the categories asset, mockups, plugins, project files. Basically, they made a whole giant list with asset providers and everything like in between. And you can just filter by category, which is super nice. So let's click on stock photos here. And as you can see, you can just find basically anything related to stock photos, as well as I think I also clicked on, what was it? Project files. So yeah, you can just click on one and then it will add to the filter, as you can see. But yeah, now we only have the project files. One thing here is that you cannot see what you clicked, so that might be a room for improvement there. Then if you go to tools, there is basically the category of every tool that we mainly use. I personally don't use all of these, of course, but it's definitely worth checking out. And maybe, you find out that there's like a different type of software that you might prefer to use. I don't know, maybe if you're used to Cinema 4D, you might find out that you are actually working way more easier in Blender. I don't know. You can even filter by free or paid. So that's really nice. Then there will be a pricing option, but this will be for the premium content. And from what I've been told, there isn't any premium content as of this moment. So it's coming soon, as you can see here. But it would definitely be worth to, to save this website to your toolbar, make an account. And you can also join their community on Discord, which is also really nice. So yeah, basically, if you look at Dreadlabs as a creative hub, Graphic basically grabs all these kinds of creative hubs together and give them for you in one place. So it might be a super useful resource for a website for you. So yeah, guys, this was basically a super quick video, but I thought it might be useful to you guys because it's actually a very nice website. I think it will be very helpful, especially to new designers who aren't really that well established into the community yet. I'm definitely going to save this one for my toolbar and, see if I have any other tutorials popping up that I might not see on YouTube per se. So yeah, before we end the video, I just want to thank my patrons real quick. Because of my patrons, I'm actually able to keep making videos for you guys and making me be able to keep on running this channel full time. So basically, the more patrons I'll get, the more I'm able to, create resources for you guys, tutorials, videos, anything related to Dreadlabs. So yeah, a huge shout out to all of my Patreons. And if you don't know, if you become a patron, you'll get access to all of the project files from all of my tutorials. You'll also get a 15% discount in my asset web store, as well as an exclusive Discord role on the Discord channel from Dreadlabs. If you go one tier up, you'll also get access to the full episodes of me starting a clothing brand from scratch, the resources that come with that series, and all of the Creatober files from 2021. So if you want to become a patron, there's a link down in the description. And with all of that being said, this was Tom from Dreadlabs tuning out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.